Exercise 1.3, question number 3. Express the following in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. So, they have given 3 subdivisions. We will do one by one. In the first subdivision, the number given there is 0.6 bar. We can see that this is a number with a decimal expansion. It is a non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. That is, the number 6 alone is repeated infinitely many times. They are asking us to express this number in the form of fraction, that is P by Q form. Now let us take the given number to be x. Let x is equal to 0.6 bar, which can be written as 0.66666 dot dot dot. Now we are going to multiply this value by 10. 10 times x is going to be 6.666666. We are going to subtract the original value of x. X is equal to 0.66666. When you subtract both, we will have 10x minus x to be 9x. 6 minus 0 is 6. The other digits will become 0 because the same number is subtracted from the same number. Now finally we are going to have 9x is equal to 6. When you take this 9 to the other side, you will have x is equal to 6 by 9. Cancelling both by 3 table, we will have 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So now finally we have expressed this given number 0.6 bar in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Now the second subdivision we have here is 0.47 bar. The bar is found only on the top of 7, number 7. Let us take the given number to be x. Let x is equal to 0.47 bar. That is, the number 7 alone is repeated infinitely many times, which can be written as 0.47777 dot dot dot. Now, since there are two numbers here after the decimal point, we are going to multiply the given number by 100. When you multiply this number by 100, you know that when we multiply by 100, the decimal point will move 2 places towards the right. So we are going to have 100 times x is equal to 47.7777 dot 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 dot. Now we can see there is only one number which is recurring there. So since only one number is recurring, there is another number there without that recurring. Since there is one number without recurring, we are going to multiply by 10. If there is no number without recurring, we will just write x is equal to. Like in the previous problem, there was only one number and that number also was recurring. So there was no number without recurring. So we just wrote x is equal to. But in this number we can see that there is one number without recurring there. So we are writing 10x. If there are two numbers without recurring, then we are going to write 100x. I hope you understood the concept. That we are doing because we are trying to remove the entire decimal part. That is why we are going with these steps. Now when you multiply this number by 10, the decimal point is going to move one decimal place. So we will have 10x is equal to 4.7777 dot dot dot. Now we are going to subtract both this. 100x minus 10x is going to be 90x. This side we are having 47 minus 4, which is 43. The other numbers after the decimal point are going to become 0. So finally we have 90x is equal to 43. When you take 90 to the other side, we will have x is equal to 43 by 90. Now we have expressed the given number 0.47 bar in the form of fraction, that is P by Q form, which is 43 by 90. Third subdivision, the given number is 0.001 bar. Let us take the given number to be x. X is equal to 0.001 bar, which can be written as 0.001001001 infinitely many times. All the three digits here are repeated infinitely many times. Now, since there are three numbers after the decimal point, we are going to multiply by 1000 this time. In the last subdivision, we had only two numbers after the decimal point, so we multiplied by 100. Now we can see that there are three numbers after the decimal point, so we are going to multiply by 1000. 1000 into x, when you multiply by 1000, you know that the point is going to move three places towards your right. So 1, 2, 3. You will get 1.001, 001, 001 dot dot dot. Now, when you see this number, there are no numbers without recurring. In the previous subdivision, there was one number without recurring, so we wrote 10x. But now we can see that there is no number without recurring. All the three digits are recurring. So we are just going to write x is equal to 0.001, 001, 001 dot dot dot. When you subtract both, 1000x minus 1x is going to be 999x equal to 1 minus 0 is 1. All other digits after the decimal point will become 0. So we have finally 999x is equal to 1. Taking this 999 to the other side, we will have x is equal to 1 by 999. Now we have expressed the given number 0.001 bar in the form of p by q, that is 1 by 999.